Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your ProtonMail account if you don't have a recovery email. Step 1. Go to the ProtonMail login page and click this trouble signing in below the password field. Step 2. Select the forgot password or reset password and enter your email or username. Step 3. Since you don't have a recovery email or phone, click I don't have access to any recovery method. Step 4. You will now see a form to verify your identity. Fill in the required details such as approximate creation date, inbox usage pattern, and previously used folders. Step 5. You may also be asked to provide a reason for account recovery. Step 6. Submit the form and wait for ProtonMail support to review your request. Step 7. If approved, you will now receive instructions to reset your password. But take note that your emails may be lost due to the end-to-end encryption. If that method doesn't work, you can go to their resources and support section and read the articles that they have or contact them. And that's how you recover your ProtonMail account without a recovery email. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.